Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Automotive Care. People who are worried about the scratches on their vehicles. We have come up with a solution to their problems. In this video, Automotive Care picks 5 best scratch remover kits for car. So please watch the complete video. Do subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for more automotive updates. Now let's get started. The 5th one is Shield Scratch Remover Kit. The Shield Ultimate Scratch Remover is the most effective and easy way to remove scratches from the painted surfaces of a car. This 6 pieces of kit consists of 1 SB6 scratch remover, 1 mirror plate polish, 1 handheld applicator, 1 foam applicator pad, and 2 microfiber cloths. This scratch remover is the easy 2-step repair system that works easily to permanently remove scratches from the painted surface of a car. It includes everything you need to easily remove scratches on the surface of your car. This polisher can be applied using handheld applicator or foam applicator pad for different areas of your car. The buffs away imperfections of scratch remover helps to level the paint finish and illuminate the small imperfections. The Shield Scratch Remover can work on all colors. The 4th one is Quick Scratch Remover Kit. The Quick Scratch Remover Kit is universal in nature. This kit consists of scratch repair polish, finish polish, 25O grit sandpaper, and polishing cloths. It is not color specific and can be used on any color car. It is suitable for all the gloss paints and colors including metallic and also safe to use. It can permanently remove scratches, small marks, and scuffs. They will not reappear over time. With 2-step process, this product is quick and simple to use. The Quick Scratch Remover Kit will not damage your vehicle's finish. The scratch repair pen and polishing pads of this kit can fill and smooth paint blemishes for unsurpassed results. This is the complete solution to remove unsightly scratches, chips, and scrapes on all colors of automotive paint finishes. The 3rd one is Turtle Wax Scratch Remover Kit. The Turtle Wax Scratch Remover Kit can be used to remove lighter scratches from small to larger areas of your vehicle. This scratch remover kit includes color-coded restoration pads, spray lubricant, paint clarifying compound, and a clear coat finish pen. For deep scratches, the Turtle Wax Premium Grade Scratch Remover Kit improves finish appearance when it used in concurrence with touch-up paints. The making repairs are nearly invisible and as smooth as the original paint. The varying grit sanding pads of this kit are used for the deeper scratches and clear coat pen for lighter scratches. They minimize the need for more expensive repairs. This is the complete solution for removing lighter scratches and gives finishes with imperfections. The second last is New Finish Scratch Remover Kit. You can bring back your car to a showroom shine with the New Finish Scratch Remover Kit. This all-in-one scratch remover kit includes Scratch Doctor, car polish, and 2 convenient microfiber cloths. The car polish is used to maintain your car exterior in one easy application. The Scratch Doctor can safely remove scratches, scuff marks, and swirl in a non-abrasive formula. You can also remove tar, grime, bugs, and bird droppings with the Scratch Doctor. The reusable microfiber cloths helps to make the application of Scratch Doctor and car polish quick and easy. This scratch remover kit protects your car's paint and clear coat finish, and it is the perfect kit for your car, truck, boat, RVs, and more. And the first one is Magwires Scratch Remover Kit. The Magwires Scratch Remover Kit supplies everything you needed to quickly remove light paint defects with very little effort. This kit includes Magwires Scratch Eraser Drill Mounted Pad, Magwires Scratch X, and Magwires Premium Microfiber Towel. By using the power of your drill, Magwires Scratch Eraser Pad maximizes the Scratch X and blemish remover to quickly erase the scratches with minimum effort. The combination of this kit allows you to safely polish paint by removing defects and blemishes like light scratches, paint transfer, scuff marks, fingernail marks around door handles, and much more, without harming the paint of your car. The Scratch X microscopic abrasives to remove light defects while polishing to enhance depth of shine. After working the Scratch X in, the included microfiber towel of this kit gently removes the remaining residue and gives your car a brilliant shine. So guys, these are the 5 best scratch remover kits. You can choose any one for your use. The links are in the description box so you will find the products easily. If you like our today's video, then let us know in comment box. We will see you guys in the next video. See you guys later.